Hi, everyone, and welcome to Echuca, a charming river port where the mighty Murray River is the star, and the world's largest fleet of paddle steamers still glides along its historic wharf. Let's explore 10 unforgettable things to do in this captivating Victorian town. 1. Cruise the mighty Murray on a historic paddle steamer. No trip to Echuca is complete without stepping aboard one of the beautifully restored paddle steamers that made this town Australia's paddle boat capital. Choose from a 1-hour sightseeing cruise or longer voyage aboard iconic vessels like the PS Pevensey, PS Alexander Arbuthnot, or PS Adelaide, the latter two dating back to 1866. Here is a perfect introduction to the region. As the massive paddle wheel churns the brown water and a guide shares tales of the riverboat era, you'll understand why this waterway was once the lifeline of colonial Australia. For a truly memorable evening, book their Port After Dark tour, a lantern-lit walk that uncovers eerie ghost stories and long-buried secrets of the busy river trade. 2. Step back in time at the Port of Echuca Discovery Center. The World Heritage-listed Port of Echuca Discovery Center is your gateway to the 1864 Echuca Wharf and the surrounding heritage precinct. You'll wander through the original cargo shed with its vintage children's games, explore the Evans Brothers sawmill site, and see a magnificent A2 steam locomotive at the old railway station, all with free exhibition entry. You can see how this mighty inland port, once the third largest in the nation, connected a fledgling colony to the outside world. Opt for a guided walking tour led by local history experts. They'll bring the pioneer stories to life far better than any plaque could, and their passionate storytelling makes this a rich and memorable journey. 3. Sample award-winning wines and craft beverages. Echuca is surrounded by boutique wineries, breweries, and distilleries, making it a perfect destination for a self-guided tasting tour. St. Anne's Winery, located right in the old Echuca Carriage Works shed, offers tastings by a cozy fireplace in winter, complete with giant heritage barrels holding 3,000 liters of old port. According to travelers' experiences, a day trip to Cape Horn Winery, just 15 kilometers away on the banks of the Murray River, rewards visitors with award-winning wines, a giant chessboard, and a gorgeous spot for a riverside picnic. Craving more variety? The Shiraz Republic also offers wine and on-site craft beer tastings, making for a wonderfully long and lazy afternoon in the country. 4. Walk the port and heritage wharf. One of the best things about Echuca is that exploring the heart of the port is completely free. The iconic Echuca Wharf, a National Heritage-listed structure built over 160 years ago, still stands as a testament to the region's golden age, and you can walk its entire length and visit several character-filled buildings without spending a cent. This is the kind of authentic, open-air museum where you can watch the original red gum piles, touch the old dock pilings, and watch the paddle steamers moor right beside you. For a dose of quirky Australiana, drive 10 minutes out of town to the Great Aussie Beer Shed and Heritage Farm Museum, a passion project filled with over 20,000 beer cans, vintage farming equipment, and a charming Clydesdale wagon that will delight kids and adults alike. 5. Get active on the Murray River. For those seeking adventure beyond sightseeing, the Murray River is a natural playground for water sports. You can rent a kayak or canoe and paddle along the calm, broad waterway, try water skiing or wakeboarding, or simply find a quiet riverbank spot for a swim and a picnic in the warmer months. From my experience, the morning light on the river is magical. Gliding through the mist in a kayak, with only the bird song and the splash of your paddle, is a pure moment of serenity. Local outfitters offer boat, paddleboard, and kayak hire, and the port area includes safe, designated swimming spots, beloved by generations of Murray River locals. 6. Indulge in Echuca's thriving food scene. From rustic riverside cafes to modern Australian restaurants, Echuca's culinary offerings cater to every craving. Here is a true local favorite, the Mill Echuca, housed in an 1881 flour mill with exposed brick walls and concrete floors, delights with creative share plates, craft beer, and a roaring open fire that draws crowds in. Winter. You can't leave without a visit to Beechworth Bakery, famous for its pies and pastries, or the historic Star Hotel, a classic pub located right in the bustling heart of town. 7. Visit the Echuca Moama Art Trail and Galleries. For a dose of local creativity, explore the Echuca Moama Art Trail, which weaves through galleries, public art displays, and artisan studios across the Twin Towns. This is a wonderful way to spend a relaxed afternoon, discovering everything from Indigenous works, celebrating the Yorta Yorta people, to contemporary sculptures and hand-thrown pottery. You can see how the area's rich history inspires its artists. Many works incorporate themes of the river, paddle steamers, and pioneer life. Be sure to check out the smaller studio spaces tucked behind High Street. They often feature local artists at work who are happy to share the stories behind their pieces. 8. Explore the Echuca Historical Society Museum. Housed in the 1867 former police station and cell complex, this National Trust-listed museum tells the story of the settlement of Echuca Moama through photographs, memorabilia, and fascinating local artifacts. The passionate volunteer guides, some of whom are retired riverboat captains, can spend over an hour sharing tales of wool and timber trade, early photographers, and the area's jail cells. From my experience, discovering the preserved prisoner graffiti in the back cells is an unexpected and poignant touch that connects you directly with the town's rough-and-tumble past. The museum is open daily from 10 a.m. till 2 p.m., and though small, it's a treasure trove of information perfect for history lovers. 9. Shop for fresh local produce at the Echuca Farmers Market. If you're in Echuca on the first or third Saturday of the month, don't miss the accredited farmers market held at the Aquatic Reserve. Here is a true taste of the region. You'll find seasonal fruit and vegetables, artisanal cheeses, olives, fresh-baked bread, local honey, and even handmade soaps, all from the producers who grew or made them. Arrive early for the breakfast caravan offering hot coffee, bacon and egg rolls, or the famous camp oven stew for a truly hearty farmhouse start to your day. 10. Discover the unique accommodations of Echuca. Finally, to truly immerse yourself in the experience, consider staying at a place that reflects the port's rich history. The Mercure Port of Echuca, located just a 2-minute walk from the historic wharf, is perfectly positioned for exploring the town's cafes, bars, and shops. You can see unique stays like the Gunbower Butter Factory, a derelict 1928 landmark transformed into an enchanting guest house with a clawfoot bath and a red gum fire pit. Book accommodation well in advance, especially during school holidays. Many motels and hotels are independently owned and fill up quickly with couples and families seeking an authentic river getaway. And there you have it, 10 unforgettable things to do in Echuca, from paddling the mighty Murray and tasting award-winning wines, to exploring heritage wharves and delving into the town's colorful riverboat past. Whether you're a history buff, a foodie, or a family seeking fun on the water, this charming river port delivers a perfect blend of authentic heritage and relaxed Australian hospitality.